everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Josh Bravo UG, and today it's another special video whereby I'll be showing you the progress of our project at home here. I'm inside the storage here. You can see at the background, these are the timbers hanging around. We got more timbers right here. We got everything here. We've got timbers and the drum. The place is full of things. We have got the iron sheets. So I'm inside the storage at home here, and today it's another special video whereby I'll be showing you the progress of our project at home here. It's now the past 2 days I've not been able to record because I've been really busy and out of the project, but the project has been running on smoothly, and today I thought of like, okay, I need to make something. I need to make a video and show you guys the progress of the entire project. That is why I'm making this video. I want to be showing you everything at the moment. So as we're speaking, the builders finish up with the entire process of building, and now it's time of the roofing. So we got the carpenters. The carpenters have been here for 2 days, and the past 2 days I've been off. I've been not in a construction site. I've not been able to make these videos, but now today I got time to come and fix this and put the videos right, and to make this video, make it happen, of course, for my subscribers, my supportive subscribers. So let me show you guys on the progress of everything, what is happening, and how the stage that we are in right now. Yes, so let's go. So as we're speaking at the moment, you can see that the roof, I've got timbers like on the roof already, so they're trying to work on it. They've put already the timber, and as we're speaking right now, even they're still working on it in that room. They are actually working on the ceiling board. This is one of the mesh that they're using it. They normally use this for the ceiling. So this is what they use for the ceiling, and they're working on everything. And definitely today is whereby we're having hopes that the project will be done for the roofing first, putting the ceiling and the timbers and everything. I think it will be done today. It will be done today, and then we shall also go for another level, fixing with the ceiling board, putting the ceiling. We use the mortar here. We use Lexan. We use all different things for us to make the ceiling. We're not using other different ceilings. The other one, which is made out of wood, plywood. No, this one is made out of cement. This is the one which we're going to make. Yes. So let me show you on how they will be making this, and then you guys will tell us what is happening. Like, is this the right project that we're doing? Of course, back in Africa, people will invest mostly in real estate, and they also invest in land. So I'm very happy that I'm showing you this one of the investment that my dad started, and it's just because ran out of funds to make sure that the project would be running smoothly a long time ago when it was getting done. This would be done long time ago, but things happen, and it ended up whereby we surprised him, and this is the time that we're saying that we got to do something and we need to do it, and that is why we are here, and we're showing you all the progress of the entire project, how everything is going at the moment. And when you guys check on this, initially the first videos that I showed you, that you watched, I was telling you that it has stayed for approximate to 6 years, going even, I think, even to 7th year. So we had to pull up that prank, and then as well as implementing by surprising. They never expected this to get the mom and dad. They never expected this to happen, but the reality has happened. It's a dream come true for my dad and for my mom. They're happy to see the progress of everything. So I got to show you how they're working on the ceiling right now, because you guys need to see everything what is happening. So guys, please ensure that you keep watching my videos, and a road to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for always watching my videos. You guys are so supportive. You guys are always watching my videos every day, and I'm very glad that we're pushing on now this. We're only fighting for all what it takes for me to be delivering you such lovely content, showing you different things. So guys, stay tuned as I'm showing you more. So let me show you how they're working on the ceiling. So you can see they're putting the ceiling. How do you call that thing? Is that a wire mesh? Yeah. So they're installing the wire mesh. This holds the cement together when they are covering it. This is the ceiling board, which is made out of cement. We rarely use the ones which are made out of wood. So these are the carpenters that are trying to work on this. They're standing. This is the table that they formed when standing, of course, to enable the work go smooth. So you can see how everything. This is the progress of everything. So in every room they're going to be doing this. They're going to be putting ceiling the same way, the same procedures. That is how they are going to be doing, and it's a hard work. It's really hard work. So you can see how the carpenters are working on it. That's why they're standing. In fact, this room is getting done, and then they also work on this other room. See, this is open. This they have not put yet the ceiling, but I know after when they get done with that, they also come and put the ceiling here. They'll put everything here too as well. See all this. So in all the 3 rooms we shall be putting the ceiling board. In all the 3 rooms at the moment, we are actually working on the 3 rooms, and then after working on the 3 rooms, we see what next. We see really what next happens, and I know things will work on good, things will proceed well, and I do appreciate all the love and support you guys are showing. You guys are really supporting me a lot through watching my videos, through always subscribing to my videos. I see every day whenever I upload videos, I see new people coming in, I see new subscribers. Please make sure that we run for 5,000 subscribers. Let's keep supporting. Let's tell other family members, let's tell other family relatives, let's tell them to subscribe to the channel, because we are really running so fast. We are running so fast. I'm impressed with the way the audience is really growing so fast. So guys, I'm glad that I'm able to be showing you all different things, what is happening here. And this is one of I do YouTube with a lot of passion, showing you guys all different things, and we got a lot happening. When we were interacting with the owner of this plot, he has a big tree, he has a huge tree. This tree is actually interfering with the whole entire project. You can see that tree. It's intruding up to. It's actually. Let me show you. You can see how it is. So when the roof, it's going to interfere. It's going to really interfere with this house, and then also its roots are so dangerous. When we're working on the floor, we're able to notice that some roots have entered already underneath the house. So we do not want these roots to keep growing, and then at the end, when they enlarge, of course, they can create a crack inside the house here. So what we're trying to do is that we're making sure that we already discussed with him. we are already in talks and everything has been finalized. So he has given us the tree, and we are going to cut this tree down, and we should also harvest some timber out of it, because this tree will not will be so dangerous for the both of the houses. You know, my dad tried to cut down, if you can see the distance between the distance and the house. He tried cutting down these roots that were entering into the house, and they can easily cause cracks on the walls. So it's time has come whereby now we are going to be cutting this down. In fact, it was going to happen today, but unfortunately I came late. I was working on something else again at the farm project, but now we're going to work on this probably maybe tomorrow. We shall work on this probably maybe tomorrow, and then other things come later on, and then maybe we shall also get some timber out of it. That will enable us, maybe that will even help us roof the other rooms that are left. That is lovely, you know. So let's always keep watching, and I'll always be showing you all the progress of everything, how everything's growing, how everything's flourishing. Guys, you are so supportive. Anyway, keep watching my videos. I'll always be showing you more and more. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned.